Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will see how to adjust a work counter. Project starts out assuming that resources work the same level every day from tasks start to finish. But workloads can vary, like tasks that starts slowly, ramp up to a full load and then taper off at the end. In project, you can apply work counters to resource assignment to reflect how the work really gets done. Work counter applied to auto-scheduled tasks and the flat counter is the default. The best place to work with work counters is the task usage view. So we'll go to the task usage view with the help of the view tab here. I'll click on the task usage view. Now here we'll be working with the defined preliminary resources. So I select the task tab here and click on the scroll to task, and that way we can see the work hours for each day. You can see here that this task span up to 2 days right now. Well, with work counters, they apply to assignments. So actually what we want to work with is the project manager. Now here when I double click on this 8 hours, it will open the assignment information dialog box, and sure enough the work counter is flat. But since we want to work with the project manager here, I'll click on this 92 hours, so it will show me the resource information. When I click on the assignment, it will show me the assignment information. To apply a different counter, click the drop down and you can choose from one of these different counters. In this case, I'm going to choose bell, and that's one of the ones where it ramps up, goes to the full load in the middle and then tapers off. But you can also choose things like backloaded, which means it starts slow and then just goes to the peak at the end and stops. So I will click here the bell and then click on apply OK. And you will notice a couple of things. First of all, the task takes longer now. Now it's going over more than 2 days. But it has to do that because the first day only has a half an hour of the work schedule. You also notice there is an indicator in the indicator column here that shows that the workload is applied. The thing about a work counter is you can actually get rid of the over allocations, because you might have one task overlap another task where when the one is ramping down, the other one is ramping up, and the resource can work on both at the same time. Now you can't create custom counters, but you actually can edit the hours in this grid. So here, for example, I could type in the 1 hour on the first day itself. So here let's make changes to 1 hour and 2 hours on the second day in this grid. You can see that the indicators change to add a pencil, and that shows that you have edited the hours in this grid. All the work counters lengthen assignments. You may be able to overlap the tasks. That way you can eliminate the resource over allocation with only a small impact on the project finished date. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.